Ciao.
Now guys, we are going to show you how to transmit IR signals.
Ciao, man.
And while we are transmitting those signals, we want to control the light intensity of the incandescent light. You see? So okay, just check there on my circuit. I first press my switch there, transmit my IR. It's dim. More dim. I press again. It's mid dim.
Prime.
Getting bright. Press. Getting brighter. Press.
Switch
Wait,
it off.
wait.
You
You
switched
must
it off.
tell me also.
Yeah.
Now it's off. Press. This one doesn't get me. You know how I'm saying, man?
Yeah.
You chop both me and that thing, they receive.
Okay.
People, they see me pressing, they see me. Yeah. You. Okay. Off now. I press again. See? I press. I press. 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 Yes.
Don't lie.
Now it's fully bright. I turn it off now. Just check that. Off.
Yeah.
So, actually, this means we are done with the course. Goodbye, electrical engineering diploma. NTUT!